We'll guide you through how to fix a buzzing sound coming from a laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying, so let's get started. First of all, click on search at the bottom and type in device manager. Click on it and open it up. Come down the list and find sound, video and game controllers and expand it. Find your speakers here, right click on them and click on update driver. You can click on search automatically and make sure the best drivers are installed. The next thing you want to do is click on search at the bottom and go and type in control panel. Open it up and press hardware and press sound. You'll get this pop up, click recording at the top. Scroll down and find your microphone and double click on it. Click listen, and you want to go and make sure listen to this device is unselected. After you've unselected it, press apply and OK. Hopefully the problem's solved.